Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice exponential equation problem. So here you see that we have three exponential functions are multiplied by each other, and also you see one thing is that the bases and exponents on all these three numbers are same. So here we know that if you have uh, m is multiplied by m, if m is multiplied by 2 times, then we write it as m square. Similarly, if m is multiplied by 3 times, then we write it as m cubed. Okay, so this is the our basic law or basic rule which we can apply in the left hand side here. Okay, so now you see that we have three same numbers are multiplied by each other, so these are 3 times multiplication. Okay, so we write these three number as into the this power form. Okay, so we write here this number is equals to 3 to the power of x and its whole cubed is equals to, here you have 81. So now in the next step we apply here another exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so if you have exponent to the exponent, then these exponents are multiplied by each other, and we write it as a to the power of m times of n. Okay, so according to this law or this rule, these two exponents are multiplied by each other, so we write our above expression as in this form: 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by x, and this is equals to 81. And now further, because we solve this problem for the values of x, so that here we now focus in this 81, and now we find the prime factors of 81. So we find the prime factors of 81 in this division method. So now here first we divide it by 3. So you have a 3 2s are 6, and we carry 2, and this is 3 7s are 21. Similarly, you have 3 9s are 27, and 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So it means that we write 81 is equals to 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so because we write 81 3 to the power of 4, so that our above exponential equation is written as, here you see that these two are multiplied by each other, and we get 3 to the power of 3x equals to 81, and we write this 81 as 3 to the power of 4. So now here we again apply another rule. So we know about this rule: if you have a to the power of m equals a to the power of n. So if you have two sides and bases on both of the sides are same, then you just compare or equate its exponents. So when you equate these exponents, then you get m is equals to n. So now here we now apply this exponential law to the above term. Okay, so here you see that bases are same, so we equate its exponents. So when you equate its exponents, it will be written as 3x equals to 4. So here, because we solve this problem for the value of x, and now we move this 3 to the right hand side, so it will be written as x is equals to 4 over 3. Okay, so this is the final value of x in this problem. And now here we need to verify this value of x. So here we just verify this value of x. Is this value of x is satisfied our given question statement or not? So now we first copy down the given question statement. It is 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of x, and 3 to the power of x equals to 81. So here we substitute this x equals 4 over 3 on the left hand side, and we check is this equals to right hand side or not. So that here we write it as 3 to the power of 4 over 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 over 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 over 3, and we check that is this equals to 81. Okay, so here again these three numbers are multiplied by each other, so we write it as 3 to the power of 4 over 3 and its whole power 3 equals to 81. We check that. Okay, so this 3 is cancelled out by this 3, and we have 3 to the power of 4. Is this equals to 81 or not? So 3 to the power of 4 is 81, equals to 81. This shows that the value of x satisfied our given question statement, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.